Okay, welcome to Beijing in spring, and as you can see it's very sunny outside now. It went from like minus degrees to 14 degrees or 16 I think today. So I'm walking here just next to the Imperial Palace here, or the Forbidden City as it's called. So it's actually a lot of interesting kind of like wedding photographers going on here in the background, take a lot of photos. See a lot of the nice flowers outside. It's actually a really huge area, so I'm not gonna be able to show you everything today. Of course I might come back sometimes, but I'm just gonna walk in here, take you guys around, see how much I can do. I have Chinese class in like 3 hours, so just gonna explore a little bit today, but the weather is so nice, so just felt like taking a stroll. So see you in there. Yes, I was walking around here and I got really warm actually. Gotta take off my jacket. Sunshine, and we're getting to the entrance here, so I'm gonna walk in. I don't have so much time actually, so I probably have to come back in the future. I have to put on the mask here, but it's really nice. You have all these flowers in bloom here, and you have this old pagodas or temples. I'm not sure what it's actually called, the Imperial Palace. So I'm gonna see, I can go in and maybe go through it in like 30 minutes, show you a little bit. Otherwise, I definitely come back in the future. So very nice, just happy to be here, enjoy the weather. So no problem, just taking a walk. Okay, so we finally got in here, only 60 RMB to take a look, so I'm definitely gonna go back here and see all this old history in the background, and world famous place of course, but basically no people, because unfortunately it's really hard to get into China at the moment. Just some domestic tourists here, but so nice. And just gonna walk around here. It's really a huge area, and you have kind of different exhibitions and things, so you can actually come back here and check different museums. There's like a clock one and some art and so on. So highly recommend that. But I'm just gonna continue, take a stroll here while I'm just taking in all these sights. So show you a bit in the background. Yeah, definitely a lot of unique history going here in the background, that's for sure. Just take a look at all this background. I love like the yellow and the red and the gold and the blue, and you have these nice emblems, and you have all these people actually taking photos with this kind of nice traditional dress in the background. Pretty cool as well. Just gonna walk through the gate over here and then see you on the other side. Okay, so that was kind of a quick little tour of the Imperial Palace Museum in the Forbidden City in Beijing, but not too bad to get in like 12k steps just in the morning here. But I'm gonna go to class. Hope you enjoyed this, and definitely come back another time, so see you later. Okay, so finished the Chinese class, and now I'm gonna have some nice food now, but it's actually 4 p.m. quite late. But I got to recommend for this place here, Hunan food. Looks not so special outside, but apparently has very good ranking. So let's go inside. As you can see, you can find some spicy beef. Not so fancy place, but like always, you pick the good stuff here. So I'm gonna see if we can find a lot of spicy good stuff. It's gonna be a very great meal. Ooh, I think we're getting the food. Nah, that is looking amazing. Ooh, looking forward to trying that. Nice, looks like we have the salad in. Oh, sissy. But I always ask if you want rice, but now I'm gonna skip that. Save for dinner. This is looking amazing. Okay, so we got the food now, as you can see. Extremely nice here. See if I'm gonna be able to show you before the battery runs out here. Let's take a look at this meat here. Wow, let's try it. Pork, I think, or maybe beef. Let's get another bite here. Shredded beef, I think, or pork. Spicy, a lot of oil. Some nice reward after that. Walking, I think I have like 16, 17 steps. Let's try the cabbage here. I feel in China they're always doing the vegetables a lot better than in the West here. You have all this nice chili and stuff. Let's see if you can have a look. That is amazing. Got quite messy when you eat it, but it's so nice. It's kind of my Saturdays is studying Chinese and then just enjoying great Chinese food. It's not a fancy place, you can see it is the normal restaurant, but yeah, as mentioned, I heard it was a really good one. So, I mean, just take a look at this. Chinese food is so amazing. So I'm going to enjoy this. Even though the dishes look very small on the menu, it's like 2 dishes, clearly it's a pretty big one. So I'm only going to have 2. Good I didn't have the rice. And then tonight maybe I'm going to do some chicken, maybe even some pasta, I'm not sure. Probably going to show you a bit in the background here. But a very active day, so I'm going to wrap... Ooh, spicy. I'm going to wrap it up here. If you want to see more stuff in Beijing, let me know. Otherwise I'm going to finish this here and see you in the next video.